In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize reports in QuickBooks Online. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Reports section. This is your hub for everything from profit and loss and balance sheet to sales and expenses. You can browse by category, use favorites, or simply type a report name into the search bar if you know exactly what you need. Next, open the report you want to customize. For example, if you're reviewing financial position, choose Balance Sheet. For performance over time, pick Profit and Loss. Opening the report gives you a default view, which is a great starting point to tailor exactly to your needs. At the top right of the report, select Customize. This opens a panel on the right side with powerful options. Think of this panel as your control center. Under General, choose your report period and accounting method. If totals don't look right, double-check cash versus accrual here. This setting often explains differences. In rows columns, decide what you want included and how you want it displayed. You can add or remove columns, group by things like customer or product, and show only active or non-zero rows to keep the report focused. The Filter section lets you dial in the data. Filter by customer, vendor, account, product or service, class, location, or even transaction type. This is especially helpful if you want to isolate a department, a specific revenue stream, or a set of accounts. Finally, Header/Footer lets you adjust the report title and subtitle or add notes so the purpose of your report is clear to anyone who reads it. You can also make quick adjustments using the controls at the top of the report without opening the panel. Change the date range to this month, last quarter, or set a custom range. Switch columns to compare by month, quarter, or year. If you need clearer comparisons, try showing % of row or column totals where available. Click Run Report if you see that option, and your changes will update instantly. A couple of navigation tips as you review. Click any blue number to drill down into the transactions behind it. Use column headers to sort ascending or descending. And if the report feels cluttered, collapse groups or hide zero balances to focus on what matters. That's it. By opening your report, using Customize on the right for deep controls, and leveraging the top bar for quick changes like date and columns, you'll shape any QuickBooks Online report into a clear, decision-ready view.